How to set up passkeys on Bybit. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Passkeys provide a secure and convenient way to sign into your Bybit account using your device's built-in authentication such as your fingerprint, face recognition or screen lock. In order to set passkey on Bybit, launch open the Bybit application first and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're inside the home page logged in, go and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. And now from the profile page, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right and select Security from the menu. Inside Security, tap on Passkeys and on the next page, click on Add Passkey. Now click the Continue button and now you can go ahead and select the Add Passkey option. Verify your identity with your Face ID, fingerprint, or your screen lock as directed, and you have added a passkey on your Bybit account. A passkey will be linked to your Bybit account from now onwards. Remember that your device must support passkeys and has biometrics authentication or a screen lock enabled before setting up a passkey. So there you have set up a passkey on your Bybit application. Passkeys lets you sign into Bybit using your device's fingerprint, Face ID, or lock screen, offering a faster and more secure alternative to passwords. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.